He's just the warden.
We are about to literally get locked up here in Newark, Ohio at the Jail of Terror. This is a hands-on touch hunt. It's super interactive and there's 3 different floors of fear. The best part is we're taking you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh, God!
Yep, there's one of them.
Oh, there he is.
Well, hi!
That's
a weird-looking device.
Yeah, it captures your soul if you have one.
Oh, no! Where did I put that? You guys gonna go? I'm gonna try again. This time I'm gonna make it. I swear.
Open the door first.
You haven't made it through yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Just the first floor and then the little bit of the second.
Oh, that's good.
That's where they throw me out.
Maybe
That's why we're on the second floor.
No. Hold on.
What is that?
Up against the wall.
Up against the wall.
I may show none of y'all hide any concrete.
Open that mouth. All right, there, clears. Bring them to their cells.
All right. Oh, don't show. Let's go. Got something.
Why'd you bring me, Sheriff? I like her.
Nothing.
Hey, you made it. Oh, what took you so long?
You didn't get kicked out yet.
Not yet, but I'm on my way.
Strip search.
Believe it, seriously. Okay.
I don't like this.
You look.
What is that? No. You don't like me. Oh my God. You're
Get in. Watch your step.
Oh crap.
No, that's in there.
Hello, new
There's somebody under there.
Somebody's under
I made a new friend.
They like you.
I don't have any. Nothing at all. Nothing.
Not bad.
I know. Somebody took it all up front.
You guys almost done in that.
Come on.
Good luck.
Here, chicken. You have a cat. Give me.
What was that?
That doesn't taste good. Why didn't you give me that? You didn't say it had to taste good.
Didn't tell you to eat it.
Oh, these are wonderful. No, you can't have any fingers.
Why not? You don't need them. They don't seem
I'm
very
going to
innocent.
need them to claw my way out.
What's your name?
Are you gonna flush the cat?
What is it? Nice name. What?
You're not gonna flush the
No,
cat.
I'm not. It's not. It's my forever. What's your name?
Tater.
Hey. That's a nice name. What about you? Trevor. Trevor's a nice name too.
Wait,
How'd you get out there?
we're in a really bad cell.
I think so.
Oh, you're in a good cell. You're safe with me. I swear. I promise.
That's debatable.
No harm's gonna happen here to you. I swear.
Somebody got me. Let's
Oh God.
There's a weird thing. There's that thing that was over
Hey,
there.
there's a friend.
It is a friend. I don't know. Friend or foe. I don't know.
Make it.
Oh crap. Oh
All
my.
I'm saying is that they put all these stairs here and expect me to not have broken knees.
Yeah?
It's just one of those days. Oh, he jumped. The voices told me to be here. Maybe we'll just stay for a little bite.
That's not necessary.
Well, it'd just be a little bite.
I knew I smelled fresh meat. Come on.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay.
come on.
What the hell is this?
Come on. Give me a hand.
Don't get on the floor.
He's not supposed to be in the front.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
All right. Oh, this went bad last time.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Paper, scissors. Play with me. Rock, paper, scissors.
1, 2, 3.
I think you won.
Sorry.
I think you won too. Woo, Tater!
Well, I'm in a dark room by
I
myself
definitely
now.
won. I can't. Oh God.
Oh, let's not do that. That doesn't sound fun. Nope. Okay. I think you made it.
Doors are loud. What you got there? Okay.
No, we don't need chainsaw.
No, we don't. No. so real.
We're stuck.
Give me your shoe.
Okay, what are we doing?
Give me your shoe.
No.
No, not again. Not again.
Yeah.
We've already done that. You're gonna mess up the order. You're gonna mess up the order.
No. This is why they said bring your shoes. No.
Somebody else is back here.
Yep. Oh God.
Give me their shoe where they can't move.
No. Nope.
We're using our shoes right now.
I need your shoe. Give me
Nope.
your shoe or you can't move.
No. Nope.
I guess we're going wait here for a minute.
Parts of the shoe.
This way.
Oh God.
Your shoes
Oh
are
God. Hang on. I
Yes,
gotta
it
wait
is.
on the shiny light. There we go.
Oh God.
Oh God. Oh God.
Give me your shoe.
Oh God.
Mine, oddly enough, I've
You're a
Oh,
liar.
I don't know.
no.
Give it to me.
Before we got here,
Give it to me.
I nailed my shoes to my feet. Yeah. See, they don't come off. See, I've nailed them to my feet. It's the weirdest thing.
We won.
No, I need
Yeah,
those.
that's good.
I need those.
Did you keep
They're
your
nailed to
shoes?
my feet. That hurt. That was painful. I'm sorry. That was painful. Oh, we're going back in. Oh, okay.
You know what I want.
I don't know what you want.
Give it to me.
What do I know? What do you want?
My
Hello?
shoes. That's my
want
Hi,
shoes?
friends. I didn't know the rules.
You want rock, paper, scissors?
Oh no.
You got a
Trevor's
shoe.
Oh, that's what
That's not going to be the worst thing I put in my mouth tonight.
Help.
Are we all coming in here?
No.
This is Dawn. I took him from a patient.
Oh. Yeah, that's
weird.
Nice. Those are nice.
Would you like to pet?
Oh my.
What is that?
Oh, are you okay?
Pet him too.
Oh, how'd you get down there?
Is that person okay?
I don't know.
Yes.
I'm not sure.
She's blind. She's blind.
Oh God.
Well, if she's blind, why did you put her on a second-story bunk?
It's not,
That seems like a very cool trick. Ah, hey, Trevor! Trevor, your shoe's missing. I can't help but notice you're missing your shoe.
what was that? No biting
It
the
was
camera.
teeth.
No biting.
I got you then. Alright, yours.
I don't know. I don't have any teeth. What's happening right now?
That means it likes you.
Go on, get out! The basement's hungry!
Oh, not the chainsaw.
You're a little bloody. What happened?
She come bring
There's
us a break
Trevor's
out.
shoe.
Thank you.
Trevor's shoe.
Oh God.
In the middle of the hallway down here.
I don't like this.
Oh no, that's not good.
Nora, $5 if you just take that shoe and shove it through the other jail cell.
No! Here, Trevor!
$5. Just shove it back through the hole. It's clearly from one of them. It's clearly from one of them. You're gonna go to jail if you keep stealing
There's
shoes.
another one. There's another.
See?
get
There's
both
another
shoes?
one.
Did you give him both shoes? Whose shoe is that?
That's not ours. That's Trevor's.
That's not mine. I got mine back.
Hey, we'll take it.
No, don't take their shoe.
We might need it to get it somewhere else.
What is?
What the heck is that?
I don't know.
Earl found his shoe.
I think it's a rat. Yes.
Oh God.
Oop.
Oh God.
It has a big tail.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, there's scary stuff down here, isn't there?
Watch your shoes.
Yeah, I know. Watch your shoes.
Oh no. Oh God. Oh, I think this is the basement.
It is, and I don't like it. Oh, crap, what is that?
This is where they keep the really bad prisoners, apparently. Oh God. Going this way.
It gets more confined down here. Like you think up there is confined. God dang it.
Oh God. Oh God. They are alive. They are alive. It's a real one.
I didn't
Oh,
even
no.
see them.
Oh God.
Oh, what is that? I didn't even know you were down there.
They're after
my
your
God.
shoes again.
They're after us.
No.
No.
Why?
No. You guys are trying to take our.
What are you doing here, huh? Move it!
I was checking him out.
Move!
Okay.
Move it, let's go! Come on! Move!
Somebody in crop shouldn't be giving orders like that.
Oh my.
What the hell? We're gonna get her. Gotta get her ink. Oh God.
Oh, I got a prison ink. Ma, I made it, Ma. I got prison ink.
We're good now.
We're good.
Yeah, I got bonus points in my family now.
Oh my God.
Oh no. Oh no. No. You stay over there. Go. Oh my.
Somebody's really mad.
It's the guy in Crocs.
It's the guy in the box.
He's mad that he's wearing Crocs.
Oh shoot.
No, go this way.
I hear a lot of.
Oh my.
Did, but I don't know.
What the heck is that? Some kind of pit of hell or something? Oh God.
I don't know what I'm looking at here. Yeah.
Oh God. Look out.
What the heck is that?
Oh my. That is a pile of bodies. Oh no.
Oh, you got a
It's all the
collection
other people that
there.
didn't make it. Oh no.
There's some tight cells in there.
Yeah.
Don't give them your shoes. Double knot your shoes.
Yeah. Holy crap, guys. So that was the Jail of Terror here in Newark, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. We've been incarcerated, we've got tatted, and somehow we still managed to escape without dying. If you want to see some more intense haunts here in Central Ohio, I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.